Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow user to select multiple options from checkbox, so it work like multi-select drop down or box in WooCommerce product. So user can select multiple value for one field like checkbox. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our WooCommerce product. Now go to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write PPOM, product add-ons and custom field for WooCommerce. So this plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So now plugin is activated. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see PPOM field. So click on it. So this is a demo. So you can create layout and then you can attach to product. So click on add new group. So you can add group name and then you see add field. So click on it. You see multiple option, but now we are going to use checkbox choices. So click on it. So you can add title, description, checkbox option. So this is our pop-up checkbox. So we added title, test, description. If you want you can add it, and then you see check option. So we are going to add option here first. Now you see option A. You can add price, discount, tooltip. You see multiple option. Also you see unique value, plus icon again. Now B. So we added two options. So you can add other information according to requirement. Now go to field again. If you want that option is already checked or enabled, so you can add value here. So when we load Apple page, product page, B option is already selected on page load. Now you see show tooltip. If you want you can add fixed fee, required everyone, error message. Now you see minimum check option, maximum check option. If you want you can allow user to select minimum 2 option, or you can allow user to select maximum 4 options. So it's up to you. If you want you can add condition, add option, and then click on update field and then click on save field, and then we are going to attach product. Now you see button, so click on it. Again you see pop-up WooCommerce product. So you can select product one by one, or if you want you can select categories. So we are going to add Apple product and then click on save again, and then you see message okay. Now done. Go to Apple page again and refresh the page. So we are in product. Now you see test option, tooltip. We have two checkbox A, B. Also you see on page load, B option is already selected because we added this option in checked option in pop-up. So in this way user can select multiple option. You can set price. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.